bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the...
Hello guys, so it is that time. And what time it is? It is the Tray for Santa. I host this. Last year was my first year, 2019, and this is my second year hosting the Tray for Santa. So guys, I do have 4 beautiful co-hosts this year. My first co-host is Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Lisa from Carter's Eat, MEnique from Simply MEnique, and Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and that is Ieasha. So guys, what is this all about? Well, everything that we do holiday season, it is always geared to adults. So last year I created this because I wanted something to be created for also the younger generation, our children. Well, I don't have any babies, but I know there are a lot of YouTubers that do have small children. So guys, this is what this collaboration is about. Title, A Tray for Santa. The hashtag is A Tray for Santa 2020. You must incorporate the host and the co-host, and you must be subscribed to the host and the co-host. And you know we must use our YouTube etiquette, so please do. Also guys, the upload date is December the 6th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please, no early uploads. And the playlist will be available for you on December the 5th. So look for that after 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. I would like to say thank you so much to my 4 beautiful ladies, Lisa, Ieasha, Marilyn, and MEnique. Thank you so much for co-hosting with me. 3 of them was my co-host on last year, and now we have beautiful Lisa that came over from the other side, which is the food side. And she has 2 beautiful babies, which I call them my niece and nephew. So Blake and AJ will be in this year also. So Lisa, I want to say thank you also for co-hosting with me. So guys, this is very simple. So you know, when I do something, I always have a twist to something. So what is the twist? The twist, guys, you must be in PJs. And, you know, Santa like cookies. So I want you to display, you can bake it or store buy them, and display those on your tray. And I just want you to give me a little update on why did you pick this cookie for Santa, and you know it's something else. I want your children to write a letter to Santa, and please do read them out. Also, guys, I am looking forward for you to join in with us this 2020. You know, we have had a trying year this year, and I want to kick it off to bring in 2020 with something that is just fun. We need laughter because so much have been happening in 2020. I am so ready. I have never been so ready to end a year. My grandmother and mother always taught us, you never rush a new year or rush a day. Guys, I am so ready for 2021, and I pray that everybody, if you can hear my voice, your 2020 will be like your 2019. So join us with this Tray for Santa. Make it just as fun as you want to. Bring your children involved with this. Let's laugh, let's enjoy. And guys, the last thing is, you know, Well, I'm going to give you a sneak peek. What I am going to do right after this, I am going to bring you to my video from last year. So guys, stay tuned for that. And also guys, you know what I always say, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, share this out because I want to see so many fun videos for this collab. Again, I want to thank Lisa, Ieasha, MEnique, and Marilyn for this. Join me in with this. And I'm hoping one of my co-hosts incorporate a little twist in her Tray for Santa because I received the news on last week and I am super duper excited for her. So girls, yes, if you know who you are, please do incorporate that because I am so super excited for you. So guys, you know what I always say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. See you December the 6th. And remember guys, I am doing Vlogmas 24 Days of Veemas. Yes, so that is another reason why you have not seen any of my Christmas beginning uploads. Okay, you just got a sneak peek. Yeah, so I'm in my office, but you can't see much. So guys, I am going to be doing Vlogmas. I am going to bring you all of my Christmas trees in my house. I'm going to do some Christmas baking. I have a lot of little things for you. I'm going to take you on a little Christmas treat here in my town. So just stay tuned for a lot of fun starting December the 1st. And my first video starts at 12:01 a.m. And it is my Christmas intro and exit. That is joined with a big company. So guys, stay tuned for my video from last year. Hope to see you on December the 6th and bye guys.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
Welcome to Veé-ology. 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 Hey, Veé-ology. Veé-ology. Santa, my name is Vaughn. Yes, you know, Veé-ology. I am 45 years old, but I'm still a big kid at heart. I've been good all year long. So Santa, I think I know what I want. See, I love bling. Yes, I do. I love big things. I truly do. So Santa, I know what I want. I want a diamond ring. So Santa, remember my ring size is an 8.5. From Veé-ology. What's next? Cookies for Santa. What cookie I have for Santa, I absolutely love oatmeal raisins. So let's get some for Santa. Now guys, we have our tray for Santa. I wonder what time will Santa be here? So guys, what is my favorite cookie that I am leaving for Santa this year? It is an oatmeal raisin. Guys, I never have been fond of oatmeal raisins until I visit Lidl's. That is a grocery store. And ever since, guys, I have been loving these cookies. So guys, I am so much of an oatmeal girl. I probably eat oatmeal almost every day. And besides that, I love, love, love raisins. So what's the best combination? An oatmeal raisin. So yes, I got to leave Santa my favorite cookie. So Santa, this is what you will be eating. An oatmeal raisin.
Merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle, jangle, oh, what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head.
Okay guys, this is the end of the hosting of A Tray for Santa, and I have some very sweet and thank yous to give out. The first one is Saving with Miss V. I asked her to be my host and she was just like, yes. So I did have some co-hosts with this. The first one is simply MEnique. Hi girl, hey, thank you so much. The next one is Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. I sent her a message. She was like, of course. The next one is Elaborate Designs by Ieasha. Another one, she was like, yes, this sounds fun. And the next one is Fabulous Designs on a Budget. She was like, okay, girl, yes. But I have a very, very sweet thank you to one particular person. And that is to Mrs. Cheryl's Place. Miss Cheryl's Place and I talked for about 2 hours on the phone. And she was just like, you know what, to make this a lot of fun, how about let's get in our PJs? And of course, girlfriend is in her PJs. So the next thank you I want to do is to my husband. That is my Santa.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone.
So everyone, from our home to yours, Merry Christmas.
Peace on earth will come to all if we just follow the light. So let's give thanks to the Lord above, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Mixing and mixing all his reindeers pulling on the rein.